on the 6 o'clock.
It is an honor to join you at this year's Violence Against Women Free Philippines or VOW Free PH.
See through the smoke, it's never been easier to overlook. It's getting harder and harder and harder to say these days.
Youth Got This Forum, which is a part of the 18-day campaign to end violence against women. This forum serves as a platform for the youth to speak out, raise awareness, and advocate for a future free from violence against women.
May nabalitaan kasi ako na ayon daw sa ating kasaysayan, ang binhi ng pagkadakila at pagkabayani ay nagsisimula pag naging youth ka na. The seed of heroism blossoms when you reach the age of being youth.
When I see the smile run across your face and the sunrise lights up another day, I believe.
Today reminds us of one simple truth. Every woman and every child deserve safety, dignity, and respect. And we are here because we refuse to accept anything less.
Don't stay silent. Stand up to your neighbor, your uncle, your father, your grandfather. If you hear something that's wrong, raise your voice.
It's never been easier when I'm with you. Yeah, it's harder and harder and harder to doubt these days.
Kalis nyo rito mamayang hapon, sana meron na kayong choice. Hindi madali ang laban. It takes time. Marami kang training na atinan dapat para ma-enlighten ka. Narinig ko kanina may isang student, sabi niya, doon sa school namin maglalagay ako ng program. Very good! Simulan mo sa empowerment ng kababaihan. Simulan mo na kung saan ang kabataan ay magsasalita, maninindigan at lalaban.
Napakahirap po ng lumaban sa isang bagay na hindi nakikita at hindi naririnig at hindi pinaniniwalaan ng karamihan ng nag-iisa. Salamat na lamang at narito ang United Nations, narito ang departments, narito ang mga kabataan, civil society organizations, ang SM Mall. Salamat na lamang po at binigay kayo sa amin ng may kapal upang kami ay tulungan. Magandang araw po sa ating lahat at ipagpatuloy natin ang paglaban sa karahasan, laban sa kababaihan.